KASSICO is a professional aluminum box manufacturer in Ningbo, China since 2001, specialized in manufacturing aluminum boxes, cases and containers. We supply full custom OEM and ODM service, include design, size, color, logo, font, accessories and more. Our products are well exported to Europe, Japan, Korea, USA market. Hope to be one of your suppliers. KASSICO owns 15,000 square meters factory area, completed sheet metal fabrication equipments, and whole product coating line. We also have perfect and rigorous QC system, and passed the ISO 9001:2015 BSCI IAF Quality Management System certification. KASSICO aluminum boxes are made from 0.8 to 3.0 millimeters. Recyclable aluminum sheet, lightweight, durable, anti-corrosion, and stackable. Aluminum boxes have widely application for storage and transportation, such as outdoors, military, logistics, camping, overland, fishing, hunting, car traveling, etc. High quality, competitive price, fast delivery, and good service. Let us go to win-win.